According to reporting by the Philippine Daily Inquirer, Eric Yap, who serves as a representative in Congress, has been named a person of interest in the investigation of alleged anomalies in flood control infrastructure projects. The inquiry centers around large-scale flood control contracts, some described as ghost or substandard projects, where significant public funds may have been misused or diverted. Yap has strongly denied any involvement in the alleged scheme, stating that he has never accepted nor authorized the delivery of money in connection with flood control projects, and welcoming a formal hearing where his rights can be fully respected. He expressed that being implicated in the allegations is painful, not only for myself, but also for the people I have pledged to serve with integrity.